Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to calculate percentages based on a column total using the calculate function in Power BI DAX. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to show things like percent of total sales right inside your Power BI reports, so you can give clearer insights to your team, clients, or just for your own analysis. Let's jump straight into it together. First, open up your Power BI file and make sure you're looking at the data model where you want to work. Usually this is going to be a table with your sales, revenue, or whatever data you want to analyze. We're going to be using DAX formulas to work this magic, but don't worry, I'll guide you every step of the way. The key formula we want percentage of total needs, as you guess, the asterisk total asterisk first. So before we can calculate any percentages, we need to create a measure to sum up all the sales. Here, how you do that, just right-click on your sales table or whatever your table is called and select New Measure. Measures are like smart metrics. They recalculate dynamically as you filter or slice your data, which is why they're so powerful. In the formula bar that appears, type in total sales equals sum sales amount. What this formula does is really simple. It just adds up all the values from the sales amount column across your entire data set. Think of it as a running total, always up to date as your data changes. Now that we have the total, let's take things a step further and calculate what percentage each row or group contributes to that whole. To do this, we're going to make another measure. Right-click the table again, choose New Measure, and this time enter percent of total sales equals divide total sales, calculate total sales, all sales. Let's break this down for a moment. The divide function is safer than a plain division because it handles cases where you might accidentally divide by 0. Inside, we're dividing total sales, which, remember, depends on the filter context, like current row or category, by the total sales across all rows, ignoring any filters. That's exactly what the all sales part does. It tells Power BI, hey, forget about filters, give me the grand total. The result is a clean, accurate percentage no matter how you slice and dice your visuals. Once you've added your measures, let's make the numbers easier to read and interpret. This is a detail that's often missed, but it makes a big difference, especially if you'll be presenting or sharing your report. Click on your new total sales measure, look over to the Measure Tools ribbon, and under Format, set it to Currency. This way, everyone can quickly see these numbers represent dollars, euros, or whatever your sales use. Then do the same for your percent of total sales measure, but change its format to percentage. This will automatically convert decimals like 0.13 to 13%, making your insights instantly digestible. That's it. You now have dynamic, accurate percentages based on the column total, built right into Power BI using DAX and Calculate. Take a second to test your measures by dragging them onto a visual. You should see everything update as you adjust your filters or categories. Don't worry if something doesn't look right the first time, double-check your formulas, and remember it might take a moment for Power BI to refresh. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Drop any questions or share your own tips in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more clear, practical Power BI guides, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.